has been a while that I switched over from my MacBook to my iPad Pro, especially with the new version out. It was really hard to use the iPad, even though with all these technical advantages that it had. It was, for me, difficult to replicate what I could have made on my computer to make it on my tablet. But nowadays, with the new technology that is embedded with this piece of machine and the apps outside working side by side together, I'm able to make about 99% of my thumbnails for my videos on my tablet. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my thumbnails from start to finish, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Before using this application, I had to rely on Adobe Premiere and Adobe Suite such as Photoshop, but nowadays I am solely working on my tablet and I'm using Affinity Photo, of course, one of the best applications out there if you are editing pictures or if you are doing a little bit of adjustment, that I use sometimes depending on the type of picture that I'm trying to edit. Or if I'm working with vector files, I use Affinity Designer, and this helps me provide me with that high detail pictures that you see on my thumbnails sometimes. One other thing that I really rely on is FreePic. Now, yes, it says it's free, but in order to get the membership and be able to use all its perks, it is recommended that you pay the monthly fee. And once you pay it, you could sign in. I'm signing in using my Facebook, and once you sign in, you have access to all of these pictures and you could use them royalty free, and you are not gonna be demonetized and somebody's not gonna sue you, because the last thing that you want is use someone else's picture without their permission. But by going into this website, you're safe because you have the membership, and as long as you have the membership, you could use those pictures. I'm just gonna type in iPad and let's see what pictures do they have. This is very interesting. Certainly, I'm gonna download this, take a look at it later. So there you go. I have these two downloaded. Actually, do you know what? I like this one much better than that one. So I'm gonna download it. Again, it's a process of going through and finding what you like and playing with it till you are satisfied completely with the result that you have. This is much better. I could play with the layers. See, I could take it off, take it on. If I don't like something, I could take it down. And this is actually what I want. See, I could remove this part, the color, put it on, remove the background, but I like it all, so I'm gonna keep it as it is. The only thing that I'm gonna add is I'm gonna go to text, and that's it. I am actually happy with this. So once I am happy with what I have, then I am simply gonna export this as a PNG. I'll wait for it to come up, put it in Affinity Photo. That's my thumbnail. I have my layers. Go back right here, get what we made back there with all its adjustment, place it right here, bring this one to the front, go back right here, minimize it. Look how cool that is. Now I think it's missing a little characteristic to it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to that website and I'm gonna look for men cartoon and try to find something interesting. I like this one. Now I just want the men and I don't want the other layers. I don't want the girl, I don't want anybody else. So it's gonna be easily delete. Gonna open this in Affinity Photo. That's my thumbnail. I have my layers. Go back right here, get what we made back there with all its adjustment. think I'm satisfied with this. Press export and everything is good to go. Gonna go to save it, and I want to make sure to make the name exactly, not exactly, kind of like what I want my video to be. So for example, I'm gonna name it how to create thumbnails using your iPad Pro. And I'm gonna save it. That's it. Give it a couple of seconds, and right there and then, this is my thumbnail, an exact size and perfect for YouTube. So these are the steps that I take to make my thumbnails possible. Now, I don't do this every day. I'm not gonna lie and say I never use my Mac for thumbnails. I only use my iPad when I'm on the go, which doesn't happen that often right now. But if you don't have a MacBook and you want something easy to be able to carry with you everywhere that you go, don't think that you're limited and you can't do a lot of things that you're able to do on your Mac, on your tablet. Yes, I can make what the thumbnail that I made right now on my Mac much faster, but it's because I have experience practicing on my Mac more than the experience that I have on my tablet. And if I want to use my MacBook, it's just second nature for me. But if I'm starting to use it, and if I know that this is gonna be my only source, it's possible to make and create something astonishing on your tablet, and it's not gonna be as difficult as it may sound or it may seem.